Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular smartphone gimbal stabilizers from Hohem, the iSteady M6 and the iSteady M7. Both of these devices are designed to help you capture smooth and professional quality videos, but they come with different features and price points. In this video, we will break down the key differences and similarities between these two gimbals to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209, making it a more affordable option for those just starting out or on a budget. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M7 comes in at a higher price of $299, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the M6 might be the way to go, but if you want the latest technology and features, the M7 is worth the investment. The Hohem iSteady M6 offers a solid set of features, including iSteady 7.0 stabilization, a magnetic fill light, and an OLED display for easy monitoring. However, the iSteady M7 takes it a step further with its detachable touchscreen remote, advanced iSteady 9.0 stabilization, and built-in extension rod for dynamic shooting angles. If you need more control and versatility, the M7 is the clear winner in this category. Both gimbals are designed to stabilize your smartphone for smooth video recording, but they utilize different stabilization technologies. The M6 features iSteady 7.0, which provides excellent stabilization for casual use. In contrast, the M7 boasts iSteady 9.0, which offers superior stabilization, making it ideal for professional content creators who require the best performance in dynamic environments. If stabilization is your top priority, the M7 is the better choice. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and M7 are excellent gimbals for smartphone videography, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The M6 is a fantastic entry-level option with essential features, while the M7 offers advanced capabilities for serious content creators. Consider your filming requirements and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.